I want to find out more about Filipino food. What would you describe Filipino food as?
People to know what is Filipino food. I had no idea sitting here.
First smell, a foot comes to mind. That's a foot.
How would you describe Filipino food?
It's a melding of like Indian, it's got some Japanese, it's got Chinese, Malaysian.
Filipino food tends to be overlooked internationally, but it's gearing up to be the next big thing in the culinary world.
Go if they have their lechon kawali. It's delicious, a delicious pork dish. And also be sure to try the ube ice cream made with purple potatoes.
And the Filipino food is the food that all chefs, all cooks, all foodie people, all journalists love.
Kumusta mga ka-proud? Today's video episode ay pag-uusapan natin kung ano na nga ba ang level at lagay ng Filipino food. Mainstream na nga ba tayo? Ano pa nga bang kailangan natin gawin para tuluyan ng mabasag ang barrier? At pag sinabing Asian food, ka-level na ng Pinoy food ang mga Indian, Japanese, Korean at iba pang masasarap na cuisine sa ating rehiyon.
I think Filipino food is, I've been calling it for 5 years. It's just going to keep getting more and more popular simply because of the variety of ingredients.
19, kopong-kopong pa ata. Sinabi ni Chef Andrew Zimmerman yan, pero may nagbago na nga ba ka-proud?
Plan with how you're going to get people that are not the Filipino community to understand or want to try Filipino food.
Kitang-kita nga sa real talk ng mga sharks sa pitch ng ating kabayan sa kanyang awesome Pinoy food business. Kahit naman na totoong napakasarap ng pagkaing Pinoy.
Sauce. Going back to the Filipino adobo because it's really good.
Thank you.
Kulang talaga sa pagpapakilala ang ating pagkain sa mainstream. Ano sa tingin mo ka-proud ang dapat nating gawin? Comment mo na nga yan, baka nasa iyo ang $1 million idea para tuluyan ng sumikat lalo ang pagkaing Pinoy.
Wow, this stuff's amazing.
The kare-kare is delicious.
Authentic sisig is like the best thing ever.
Meron nga ding mungkahi ang yumaong si Chef Anthony Bourdain sa atin noon mga ka-proud na sisig daw ang pagkaing magpapakilala sa Filipino food sa global stage. Sang-ayon ka ba dito? Kalimutan na nga ba muna natin ang adobo?
I think it's the most likely to convince people abroad who have had no exposure to Filipino food to maybe look further and investigate further beyond the sisig. I think that's the one that's going to hook them.
Flavors, the tamarind, everything, the calamansi. It's the #1 food amongst foodies. As far as why it hasn't broke out to mainstream yet, maybe because your food is too good. It's too authentic. It's too good that it just larger society hasn't caught up to it yet.
Agree ka naman ba dito ka-proud o binubola lang tayo nito? Hindi pa nga ba talaga ready ang madlang earth sa sarap ng Filipino food? Kung hindi naman ngayon, kailan yan mangyayari? Kaya ba this lifetime ka-proud?
National dish of the Philippines. A really delicious, umami, savory, flavor-bursting treats.
Super tasty.
Oh, wow. Our second entree.
Ang mas maganda naman ngayon ay meron na tayong mga kababayan na lumaki man sa ibang bansa ay sila na mismo ang mga nagpapalaganap at nagpapadatili ng pagkaing Pinoy. Hindi lamang sa Amerika, abot yan hanggang Europa.
Sinigang, tamarind soup, adobo, and what is the rolls?
Lumpia.
Lumpia, yes.
Okay.
Oh, yes, of course. Red horse and 2x2.
That's what I'm waiting for, actually. Okay. And dessert? Any specific dessert?
Dessert, I forgot the name. I'm not super fan of dessert. But there is one with, it looks like a bubble tea. You know?
Bubble tea.
Yeah,
Sago.
Yeah, like Idilou.
Sagot gulaman.
Voilà.
Sagot gulaman.
Amélie.
Amélie, and where are you from?
I'm from Montpellier in the south of France. The food.
What is your favorite food then?
I don't know. I love a lot of food like lugao, adobo, adobo pusit. I think adobo pusit is my favorite.
Do you have a specific food that you like from the Philippines?
Oh, I like adobo.
What's your name?
Jean-Pierre.
Jean-Pierre. And where are you from?
Bretagne.
Voilà.
Ah oui. Ah, aucun problème.
Lechon.
Lechon.
Oui, elle aime bien lechon.
Ah oui.
Which one? Lechon?
Yeah, he loves so much.
Balut.
Voilà. He eats balut too.
Okay.
He's been in the Philippines.
My name is Nicholas and Maria Sokolo.
Is Maria?
Yep, and we married since December 2022.
Yes, and where are you
Very
from?
happy with. Me from France, from Paris, and you from Maria?
Cavite. Yes.
Almost everything. The lapu-lapu, adobo, and lechon, of course. Especially the one in Cebu.
Julien.
Julia?
Ouais, Julien. Ouais.
And Madame?
Jasmine.
Ouais, yes, ouais. I love the food, all the specialties with lots of specialties with pork and rice, and I like the sauce. There are so much varieties of dish. It's very good. It's a change. It's different. The taste are so different than the French food, and but I like the when it's spicy. Yes, the food is good. The leche flan is my dessert, my favorite dessert.
Michael.
And you, Madame?
Sarah.
Have you tried Filipino food? Of course.
Yeah, of course.
What is your favorite then?
Adobong pusit. Yeah.
How about for dessert?
Leche flan.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mauricio, yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Colombia and France. Bulalo, voilà, bulalo, Zambia, bulalo.
Okay. Sorry.
Val.
And where are you from?
Here.
France?
Yes.
Okay.
Maria Sawa is from Philippines.
Okay. What is your favorite Filipino food then?
Bulad, dry fish. Bulad. I don't have in Tagalog. Bulad in Bisaya, dry fish.
What's your name?
My name is Bo.
From origin?
Yes, I come from Thailand. Yes, but my dad from Japan. My mom from Vietnam.
Really? It was really a mixed culture.
Yes.
Okay. How do you learn about Philippines?
From Philippines, that I know from my friends. Yes, and the first role when I met the Philippine people that I'm really fall in love that is the first role that I see that it's very honestly of people and very kind of the people. And then she tried to cook Philippine food for me and I'm fall in love about that. I have, like épinards cooked with the sardine.
Spinach.
Yes, spinach. This one is very, very good for me, like a healthy food. That's why I see Philippine people not get fat anybody. Yeah, seriously, I see like that. Philippine people, yes, mine is very, really, very, very nice. And more I met the Philippine people, and more I love it. Yeah, exactly.
Follow for more One Filipino TV.